Hi guys, welcome to B Codewala. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a image gallery like this. So, if you click on next button, it will show the next image. See, if I click on next button, it shows the next image. If I close, if I click the next button, it is showing the next image. If I click on previous button, it is showing the previous image. See, this was the previous image. Now I click on next button, it is showing the next image, and previous button, it's showing the previous image. So like this, you can use the previous and next button to get your images whatever you have given in your gallery. So for doing like this, we are going to use HTML and CSS. So here in my VS Code, I have made my HTML file and CSS file and JavaScript file. After making all this, I have written my basic structure of HTML file and I have given the title image gallery, and I have linked my CSS file, and then I have linked my JS file. So after linking that, come to the body tag. In body tag, I've taken a div with class page and ID page. Here, in this div, I've taken another div with class heading, and in this div, I've taken a h1 tag where I have written image gallery heading, and out of this div, I have taken another div with class container, and in this div, I have taken a image with slider ID, and I have given the image source where is the path of the image. I have given here the path of the image. So after doing this, I have taken another div with class button certificate for the button, and I have given another button tag and with class certificate button, and I have given the IDs preview, and on click event I have given preview, and here I have given the name of the button. So like that, similarly I have given another button tag with class certificate button and ID next button, and on click event, when you click it will show an event. So I have given the name of the button. After doing all this, come to the CSS file. In CSS file, I have target my class page. You can see here I have taken the class page. In class page, I have taken background white with 100% and height 100 VH and background attachment fixed, and background size I have taken 100 viewport and 100 VH, and background position top center, and background repeat no repeat, display flex, justify content center, align item center, and flex direction column. After doing this, I am going to target my class heading. I can show you here is my class heading. So for class heading, I have taken the text align center, margin bottom 0, and I have given a color code, and Here I have given the border button, and here I have given the text shadow of the heading. After that, in heading I have given the margin 30 pixel, and after that I am targeting my class certificate button. You can see in my HTML file certificate button. So here I have given the margin 30 pixel, border none, height 60 pixel, padding 30 pixel, color white, and display flex. Now I have taken justify content center, align item should be center, flex direction row, and background color code I have given here. You can write the color code. So I have taken border radius 30 pixel, box shadow and text shadow I have given 2 pixel, 2 pixel, 5 pixel with black color and cursor pointer. Now I will target button certificate. Here is the class button certificate. So class button certificate display flex, justify content center, align item center, and flex direction row. Now I am going to target my ID slider. You can see here the ID slider in IMG tag. So float left, margin right 10 pixel, margin left 10 pixel, height 300 pixel, width 300 pixel, and border radius 9 pixel. Now I have target my class container. Here display flex and justify content center, and align item should be center, and flex direction row. Now after writing all this code in our CSS file, we'll go for the JS file. So here I have taken a variable certificate, and I have pasted my source of image. Here is the my path of the image. You can say source or path of the image. Where is the location of the image? So here again variable num equal to 0. Initially it will be 0. I have target my next button function. So I have taken variable slider document dot get element by id and targeting by id, and number will be increased by 1. So if num is greater than certificate length, then num equal to 0. Otherwise slider dot csrc equal to certificate num. Now for previous function I have taken the variable slider, and that variable is given by document.get element by id slider, and here for the previous button 1 will be minus, means whatever you have given the number, that will be the minus. It will go back, it will show the previous image. If num is less than 0, num equal to certificate dot length minus 1, it will increase, it will decrease one number, means it will go for the previous image, and slider dot src it will give the source of the image according to the number. So like this, after writing this much of code, you'll get a beautiful gallery like this. Here you can use your image to store and see your image by clicking next and previous button. You can see here. Hope you guys like the video. Subscribe the channel. Don't forget to share with your friends. So thanks for watching. We'll meet in next video.